Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial where in this quick tutorial of GitHub, I'm going to show you how you can rename your repository. If you have been familiar with the interface of GitHub, you're gonna find that it is not available the option of renaming your repository right in front whenever you open your repo details. Even if you find this settings option, you're gonna click it and you can see there's no option to change the name of your repo. Now to change the name, all you need to do is to just simply in this top options, you're going to find a lot of options there. And the last one which says settings, just simply go to the settings. Once you do that, here you're going to see the in the general section, you can find the option of repository name. You can simply change your repository name right here only. Do whatever you need to give the name to your repo. And once you do that, hit rename and your repository will be saved with a new name. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.